All my life I wanted to be pretty. People became overly reliant on fossil fuels.
하지만 인간들은 자연을 과하게 사용했고 지구에는 큰 위기가 찾아왔는데 시간이 지나 또 다른 재생에너지를 찾아내는 데 성공하지만 이를 유지하기 위해 인간들을 하나로 모으기가 쉽지 않았습니다.
So they came up with a radical solution, the transformation.
사람들은 16번째 생일이 되면 원하는 모습이 될 수 있는 수술을 의무적으로 받아야 했고
Everyone is healthy, happy, pretty.
수술을 받기 전인 사람들을 어글리라 불리게 됩니다. 그리고 곧 수술을 받을 예정인 텔리.
Mirror, make me pretty.
그녀에게는 노즐한 별명을 가진 썸남 페리스가 있었고
What took you so long?
My legs are shorter. Having so much fun.
You will be there in exactly 3 months.
생일이 빠른 페리스는 내일 수술을 받게 될 예정이었죠.
We'll still be ourselves. We'll just be better. You're not gonna let them take your scar, right?
You've always been the best part of this place.
Ever thought about when you're finally pretty, you and... What about this? Meet me at the bridge in 1 month.
Good morning. Congratulations on the begin.
오늘은 졸업식이 있는 날이었고
Dr. Naya Evil.
You are truly on the cusp of metamorphosis from hatred and discrimination based on the way that you look. Will tomorrow's pretties please come forward?
The bridge. 1 month. Don't be late, okay?
페리스가 프리티가 된 지 시간이 꽤 흘렀지만 어째서인지 연락이 없었고 시간이 더 흘러 드디어 페리스와 다리에서 만나기로 한 날이 되었습니다. 하지만 페리스는 모습을 보이지 않았고 텔리는 페리스를 만나기 위해 도시로 넘어옵니다. 이곳엔 자신이 있던 것과 달리 엄청난 문명이 있었고
Do you know where Garbo Mansion is?
Right there.
그녀는 페리스를 찾아내는 데 성공하지만
I mean, it's beautiful.
It's me.
Tally.
You weren't at the bridge.
Yeah, so you snuck in?
기대와 달리 페리스는 전과 다른 모습이었습니다.
I woke up from surgery and then I realized I just...
An unwelcome individual.
그 순간 몰래 도시에 들어왔다는 사실이 발각되는데 다행히 도시를 탈출하는 데 성공합니다. 하지만 정찰 로봇은 끈질기게 그녀를 쫓아왔고
Get on or we'll both get caught.
위기의 순간 쉐이라는 친구의 도움으로 도망칠 수 있었죠.
That was insane. I thought you were gonna fall off at that. I jumped off Garbo. That's why they were chasing me. You're way cooler than you look.
둘은 금방 친해질 수가 있었고
We have the same birthday.
그로 인해 같은 날 수술을 받을 예정이었죠.
You want to learn how to fly. You gotta learn how to fall. Focus. Lean into it. Oh my god. We finally get to start our lives.
하지만 쉐이는 수술을 받지 않길 원했고
Would it be so bad not to do it? The surgery? Alternative, become all moldy and crinkly? Maybe I'd go to the smoke.
스모크는 수술을 받지 않는 사람들이 지내고 있다는 전설의 도시였습니다.
Meet me at the Greenbelt in 2 hours. No, wait, why? What are we doing?
쉐이는 텔리를 따로 불렀고
Tally, I need you to promise you're not gonna tell anyone. Shay, you're my friend, I promise. Then here we go. He's real, Tally. The smoke is real. I'm not getting the surgery. Nobody judges you for how you look. It's about who you are on the inside.
사실 쉐이는 스모크에 살고 있는 데이비드와 여러 번 만난 적이 있다 말합니다.
Get the procedure, they tell you what to do, and that's it. I want you to come with me. Grow their own food there, Tally. Everyone is exactly who they're born to be. They're free. I can't.
결국 둘의 의견 차이는 좁혀지지 않았고
I wrote directions in a code only you'll understand. That's him. I have to.
쉐이는 스모크를 향해 떠났습니다. 그로부터 얼마 후 누군가 텔리를 찾아왔고
Tally Youngblood.
Would you tell me where we're going, please?
그녀가 도착한 곳은 케이블 박사가 있는 곳이었죠.
Hello, darling. I'm Dr. Cable. Please come in. Shay's missing. Please have a seat. Shay's in danger.
I don't know where she is.
Sooner you do, The sooner we can get to your procedure. Remember anything she said that would help us find her?
케이블은 수술을 핑계로 그녀를 협박해 정보를 얻어내려 했고 셰이에 대해 답하지 않은 텔리는 수술을 받지 못하고 돌아올 수밖에 없었습니다.
Oh my gosh.
그 순간 페리스가 그녀를 찾아왔고
So just tell him everything you know. Squint, we spent every day for 4 years dreaming.
You haven't even pinged me in 3 months.
You'll feel different there. Refuse to help, not get the surgery? You're not breaking your promise if she needs help.
I'm glad you decided to help us, Tally. David, the Smoke, they're developing a weapon. They've decided their way of living is more worthy than
Shay's not part of any of that.
she is now. I need you to find the Smoke and get the procedure, as you've always wanted. Save us all. Once you found the weapon, signal us with this necklace.
그렇게 셰이를 찾아 떠나게 된 텔리.
Find the wall and weigh the face. Don't look down and do not haste.
전에 셰이가 알려준 정보들로 길을 찾아 나설 수 있었죠.
Your journey ends in a sea of white.
I so appreciate your help convincing Tally.
When I saw her, the strangest thing happened. She reminded me of the way that I was.
Brand new path, select few just like you, Paris. I can make you very special.
페리스를 속이고 또 한 번의 수술을 진행시키는 케이블. 한편 잠들었던 텔리 앞에는 불길이 가득했고 그런 그녀를 누군가 도와주는데
Who are you?
I'm David. Tracker.
I had no idea that was there, I promise.
Arms out. Let's go.
We picked up the tracker from the hoverboard. Seems to have been removed.
She's made contact.
It's an outpost. Smoke's still a day off.
Tally? I didn't think you were coming. I can't believe you were right.
Like, my whole body hurts so bad.
So you're gonna tell me about that necklace?
Who?
목걸이에 대해 차마 이야기하지 못하는 텔리.
There's something about this place, Shay. It's not what it seems.
Who even told you that?
I'm just scared for you, okay?
Did you come here to try to bring me back?
I am. It's a lot to process.
To know the Smoke.
셰이는 며칠간 이곳에서 지내며 스모크에 대해 알아보라 말했습니다.
This will be our last burn before we head back.
What's happening? But you set the fires?
Those flowers are turning the planet into a wasteland.
텔리는 자신이 알던 지식과 현실이 다르다는 것을 알게 되고
It was all once green.
David, I see movement in the field.
What are those scouts?
무사히 정찰대를 따돌리는 데 성공했으나
I just want to know how the scouts found us.
What?
Are you sure you don't have any help?
But I just saw her risk her own life to save someone who we all care. That's the cornerstone of the Smoke.
데이비드의 설득으로 상황은 일단락되었습니다. 그로부터 얼마 후 스모크에 도착한 이들.
Welcome to the Smoke.
Harder than living in the city. We grow our own food. We don't have money, so we share things and trade. The most important thing, everyone is here because they choose.
텔리는 이곳에서 케이블이 말한 무기를 찾으려 했고
I was just looking for some water. This is
Not your business.
스모크에서는 무언가 큰 계획을 준비 중인 듯 보였습니다.
Scouts were spotted in the West Pass. The city is not going to stop. Our time here is limited. We must achieve our objective. Before you came here, how many times a day did you think about how you look? So alone and so insecure that we don't have time for things that actually matter. Choosing who you become. Close one eye, just above the center.
어느새 텔리와 데이비드는 감정이 싹트고 있었고
That was nice. In place of that thick skin.
These are amazing. Thank you so much.
그때 정찰대를 만나 다친 동료가 나타나죠.
These weren't normal scouts. They weren't regular pretties. Never seen anything like them.
Are those David's gloves? Yeah. Objects have a different value here, Tally. He likes you. Are you staying or not?
셰이는 텔리에게 이곳에 남을지 돌아갈지 결정해라 말합니다.
I guess I just want to choose who I become. They say you have a weapon. They are planning to wipe out the city.
Come on.
데이비드는 텔리에게 자신의 부모님들을 소개시켰고
Tally thinks we have a weapon.
I'll put the kettle on.
Come on in.
You both look so much like David. I'm just never really seen that.
I want to tell her. Before the Smoke, they were doctors.
Cosmetic surgeons working.
알고 보니 수술은 명령에 복종하게 만드는 뇌수술까지 함께 진행되었고
I never knew that.
They keep it quiet.
이는 수술을 진행한 모든 사람들이 정부가 원하는 대로 움직이고 있는 상황이었죠.
They erase who you are.
But why would Cable do that?
To control us.
As and I couldn't sit back and watch it happen.
이들은 치료제를 개발해 성형수술한 사람들을 되돌리는 것이 목적이었습니다.
For the last 20 years, we've been working on replicating this.
David, I
haven't been completely honest with you. I was told these lies my whole life and believed being so nice to me. I've just done so many bad things. It makes me feel like maybe I am just ugly.
What you do, the way you think, makes you beautiful.
그런데 다음날 아침 정찰대가 이곳에 나타났고 얼마 지나지 않아 동료들이 모두 붙잡혀 버렸습니다.
It's time to let people choose. I've seen your lab, Maddie. Where is he? Your son. Just him.
이미 자아가 없어 보이는 페리스는 데이비드의 아버지를 직사시켜 버렸고
You didn't tell me that you would hurt anyone. Tally, I vouched for you.
Performed beautifully, Tally. Let her go. She'll come to me. Destroy the smoke.
사람들은 모두 붙잡혀갔고 텔리와 데이비드만이 남았습니다.
David.
Coy was right. You lied.
I didn't mean for any of this to happen. I fell in love with this place. I would die before I let them turn me now.
I'm going to get them.
A building I know how to get into. Please let me make this right.
이들은 동료들을 구하기 위해 떠났고 텔리는 친구들에게 도움을 요청했습니다.
I need you guys to gather as many kids as you can and create a diversion. Smoke lives right in the sky. Come on.
텔리는 정찰대들을 다른 곳으로 유인하는 데 성공했고 무사히 건물 내부로 침입하는 데 성공합니다.
Where's Shay? Where's Shay?
They took her to surgery.
Tally!
Shay, your eyes.
Golden, just like you always wanted. You were right. It is the most incredible feeling.
She is breathtaking, isn't she? I suggest you choose surgery.
All right, I'm going.
Humanity needs to be led. You'll be happier this way.
But I won't be me.
We'll be pretty.
그렇게 강제 수술이 진행되려는 순간
Nose. There's your hand. Squint and nose. Forever. Do you remember that?
하지만 데이비드는 자신의 아버지를 죽인 페리스를 용서할 수 없었고
We gotta go. Oh, man.
We got it. We got what we need for the cure. I think I can complete the formula now.
하지만 셰이는 치료받기 싫다 말했고
This isn't you, Shay.
Me. Look at you guys. Paranoia, fear, jealousy.
Perform medical experiments on an unwilling subject.
I'll do it. I'll be your test subject.
텔리는 스스로 실험체가 되기로 자처했습니다.
Honey, there are risks.
It's how we change the world. It took me a long time, but I know who I am now.
We know it's still you.
I'll leave you a sign. Go. Go. I'm so sorry, Shay.
I'm Tally Youngblood!
Welcome to your new home. Are you healing properly from your procedure? Are you satisfied with the outcome of your surgery?
Yes.
알 수 없는 미소를 짓는 텔리와 함께 영화는 마무리됩니다.